Okay, let's lay out some panels. Now, the top is positive. The back of the solar panels are positive, and the front is negative. So we're going to take this first one. I've got a little spacer here that I made so I can keep these suckers parallel. So on the first one, the positive, the back is pointed that way. On the next one, we got to face it the other way. By the way, if you trade stocks, check out DDAmanda.com. It's a really cool stock program to find stocks, NASDAQ and OTC. Now I get the first two right, and I just keep about a 1/16 of an inch here. And I screwed them this way a little bit because the positive bar is going to run all the way down, okay? On the negative, on this side, the positive is going to run all the way down. On this side, we're just going to connect them here and alternate. You'll see how that works in a little while. But right now, I'm just going to lay them out. So once I get the first two there, I'll just take a little bit of tape and put it right in this diamond here, okay? By the way, this is tempered glass. It's real thin. I scored it. It's 76 by 34 inches. I made a deal with the glass company. Okay, so there's our first one. Now this first two. Now this one here is going to be the way it is in the tray, with the positive on this side. You don't want to screw this up because it won't work if you get it backwards. Okay, so we got another one here. These are going to be 100-year panels. They'll last for 100 years because the back's going to be glass, not this weird epoxy stuff. There's so much bullshit out on the internet about how to build solar panels, it's ridiculous, you know. Anyway, there's this baby polar bear, and he asked his mom, he says, "Mom, am I really a polar bear? I'm not like maybe a grizzly bear or something?" And his mom goes, "See how I switched that one?" His mom goes, "Oh yeah, you're a polar bear, son." And so he asks his dad, he says, "Dad, am I really a polar bear? Because I'm not like maybe a black bear or something, or a brown bear?" And his dad goes, "No, son, you're definitely a polar bear." So then last, he asked his grandpa, he says, "Grandpa, am I really a polar bear? I'm not like maybe a grizzly bear or something?" And his grandpa goes, "Nope, you're definitely a polar bear, but what's wrong?" And the guy goes, "Well, I'm fucking freezing." Alright, I'm just going to continue here. You guys get the picture. Alternate your strips to where the positive is on the back is on top on this one, on the bottom on this one, on the top on that one, and on the bottom of that one. Okay, check out DDAmanda.com. If you trade stocks, you want that program. Okay, bye.